I am Jasper Barido from Barotac Viejo, Iloilo, Philippines. I am learning facilitator of T.A.B.A.N.G's program for almost 10 years. My goals in life is very simple. Reach those unreached brothers and sisters who didn't finish their basic education. Of course, help those underprivileged individuals by unlocking their full potential and empower youth to become proactive in their own community. I am committed to help in my own capacity in transforming lives of many. During our community mapping, we observed that some of our indigenous people in our community are left behind in a corner. They are experiencing such inequality in terms of social services. That's the reason why I crafted and initiated Project Tabang. Project Tabang stands for Total Action in Bringing Ati community towards noble and worthy grounds. First quarter of 2019, when the project launched, with the support of the different individuals, both private and public, the community as well, and the government offices, project brings impact to the lives of many. The project focuses in 7 dimensions, which include literacy and education, environmental protection, care for health and sanitation, disaster preparedness, and preservation of their core culture and practices. We also tap sustainable livelihood and developing sports and recreation among children, helping them in a holistic approach that no one or no ati will be left behind in somewhere. And this project will be implemented in 5 years, starting 2019 to 2024. When it comes to the impact of Project Tabang, for more than 1 year of implementation in our 6 Ati community in Barotac Viejo, literacy level improved, sustainable living through livelihood opportunities were provided to our Ati brothers and sisters. We try also to help boosting their self-esteem and confidence, to be proud their own identity. We also introduce steps in environmental protection and conservation, massive planting of trees, and coastal cleanup, river cleanup were given to the Ati community. They are also empowered and now prepared when it comes to the calamities and disasters in their community. With COVID-19 pandemic threatened the lives of many, our Ati brothers and sisters here in 6 Ati community in Barotac Viejo able to handle the situation better. Since they are situated in remote areas, seldom they go to the town proper, thus they have limited exposure to the threat of the deadly virus. Somehow, the COVID-19 has limited effect to their lives, since most of them are working in the fields and farms, thus, life continues despite the threat. It amazes me actually, personally, because when it comes to survival, they are much prepared compared to us, because they have a deeper bond with nature. The abundance of nature definitely provided them food, like fishes in the river, root crops, fruits in the forest, and many more. In terms of education delivery during the pandemic, we have limited face-to-face learning instruction while observing health protocols. Handouts and activity sheets are provided to them to ensure continuous learning. For I know, learning is a continuous journey. Learning is very important in the progress of a person. My goal before is just to help Ati community via the delivery of social services and helping them to develop sustainable living. But after a year, Project Tabang implementation, I was realized that their community brings impact in my total being. Like, don't complicate life. Simple living is more rewarding and fulfilling. For me, they are the most genuine people. Their smiles are real and true. With the project, I developed within my heart the virtue of service, compassion, and humanity. I know this is a long journey. We just started the project in transforming lives of Ati people. Journey to preserve their own identity that someday they had a pride to showcase their own manifestation. Journey to empower them that they will not be left behind. Journey that someday one professional or many professionals, an expert, will be coming from their community. Above all, journey that we, the immigrants of this world, will appreciate on how they pave our way on what we are today.